there guys, my name is David, you are watching VivaLaAutomotive and this is Supercar Sessions.
Supercar Sessions is basically me going through these posh areas of London, trying to locate and photograph some of the rarest, coolest and most expensive cars out on the streets. All cars are given points based on their price, exclusivity, as well as my own perspective. 1 point is for all the basic supercars, 3 for less basic ones, 5 for hypercars, and 10 for the rarest of the rare.
It is a beautiful Saturday afternoon here in London and we are starting here in South Kensington by the HRO and Ferrari dealership because there was a Ferrari 458 Speciale parked right in front of it. However, sadly enough, I missed it. Okay, now I kind of know where the Ferrari 458 Speciale went because it has just been unveiled there inside of the dealership, finished in this sort of grey with this white stripe. But apart from that, there is this Ferrari SF90 Stradale right here. And apart from the cars inside of the dealership, there is also this Rosso Corsa Ferrari 488 and the Ferrari F12 over there in the distance. Not really sure if you can see it. This Ferrari 812 Superfast wasn't just your standard Ferrari 812 Superfast because it had, of course, the painted shields as well as a special livery with that sort of yellow stripe going down the hood. Guys, the car that just passed us here on Park Lane is of course the legendary Ferrari LaFerrari. This car right here was finished in black with red pinstriping and I've never seen this specific LaFerrari before, so I was even happier to finally see it. But wow, first hypercar of the day. This specific Ferrari LaFerrari has an interesting story behind it because it crashed during a Ferrari Cavalcade back in 2016 and had to be completely rebuilt. Just look at this picture. Isn't it completely insane how it just sits on that boulder right there? Okay guys, so I have now moved over to Belgravia and at the exact same spot where I've seen the Ferrari 599 GTO last week, there is this Ferrari 488 Pista Spider this week. Here it is, the Ferrari 488 Pista with a 3.9 liter V8 engine producing 710 horsepower. This one over here is finished in this special blue paint with this special stripe as well, sort of similar to the ones on the Pista Pilotis. It has got the sort of repeating theme over on the wing mirrors. I've never seen that on any other Pista before. Of course, it has got the full carbon fiber package, so there's carbon fiber in the back, sides and the front. But this is not the only supercar on this street right now because there is also this McLaren GT. These cars are actually quite rare because no one really bought them, but this one over here is finished in this dark gray with this super cool contrasting white interior and matte carbon fiber as well. And then in the back we have got the Ferrari California and a Ferrari GTC Forluso. was cycling all the way back there when I noticed this sort of orange blob for just half a second or so, and this orange blob turned out to be a rare Lamborghini Aventador SVJ right over here. So the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ is only limited to, I think, 800 or 600 units. It has got a 4.5 liter V12 engine producing 777 horsepower. I haven't seen one of these cars for quite a bit of time, which was surprising because, I mean, back in fall of 2020, these were pretty much everywhere. Also, while I was taking pictures of this beautiful Aventador SVJ, a Ferrari 488 Pista and a Ferrari A12 GTS passed down over there on Sloan Street, but I haven't got these captured on video, so that's that, I guess. Not really sure what the owner of this Aventador SVJ was thinking when he was leaving this parking spot, but it was quite funny, not gonna lie. Right next to Harrods, I have found these two stunning cars parked up. So first of all, we have got this McLaren 600 LT finished in this beautiful shade of papaya, probably one of my favorite McLaren shades right here. Full-on black Alcantara interior with matte carbon fiber. What a beautiful car this is, with the exhaust, of course, up here, and apparently they also shoot flames. I've never seen that, but apparently they do. And then we've got this Ferrari 488 Pista that I've had the chance to create a video with in the past. Once again, absolutely beautiful, beautiful car. Okay guys, right now I'm here on Sloan Street, and to finish the day off, we have got this very special Ferrari 488 Pista with the silver stripe and this matte finish. There's a McLaren 600 LT Aventador over there. We've got another Ferrari 488 Pista, this one over here, finished in this dark shade of red with these two black stripes. Absolutely stunning spec. I am now close to the Connaught Hotel, and this is pretty much the end of today's Supercar Sessions. But before we finish, I found that these two Lamborghini Huracan Performantes in pretty much identical specs, finished in this matte black. One of them has got the Italian tricolore, the other one doesn't. However, both of them, of course, the ALA aerodynamic system, this sort of carbon fiber wing in the back, Alcantara on the interior, and yeah, looking stunning here, just back to back in front of the Connaught Hotel. Okay guys, so it is already dark out. I am here close to Berkeley Square, completely exhausted, and I think that it's time to finish off today's Supercar Sessions episode. Today was bittersweet because there were so many cars out, but I've missed out on a lot of them as well. I haven't seen, for example, the Bugatti Veyron Vitesse, I haven't seen the McLaren Senna, I haven't seen some of the SVJs, but of course I have seen a ton of stuff as well. If you've enjoyed today's video, and if you've enjoyed the Ferrari LaFerrari, you have to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more automotive content every week. But that is seriously everything for today. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you next time.